heading to Addison to go work on a Honda CBR motorcycle. I do a lot of stuff on motorcycles too. I change the brakes. Definitely multi-point inspections, pre-purchase inspections. Other people, what role you have in the Herb's Auto Care Company. It could be brief. You know, you can tell them how long you've been here. You can tell them, you can talk about your 5-star customer, or you can just go back to sleep. Well, all right. I feel like I've came here before. That's what we working on. We changing this oil. Got some good sauce. You see the fuel level right there. It won't show any because the engine's really cold. So you won't get an accurate reading until it's warmed up. I might start it up just to warm it up, where the oil can flow freely through. Make sure everything come out. That's where the filter is right here. I left my phone mount out the house, so that's what I'm gonna be using to record. You know, that's pretty creative. Who would have thought of that? This broke from the first one I bought. It's gonna work. There we go. Pretty much changed the oil on this one. It is a 12mm bolt right there. The oil filter's in there. That's what some 8mm, should be 2 of them. You gotta move this fairing out the way. I kind of like this design too. Get the rest of that oil out. It wasn't too bad either. It's got a spring in this, so be careful not to lose it. It's good to do it by hand first. Make sure it's lined up. Yeah, I usually just snug them in like a diagonal. Not too tight. And once more. The whole quarter of this one. Ooh. And then we're gonna add the 0.6 from this one. Definitely make sure you don't pour too much. Yeah, 0.7. 3 more. That's other Douglas. Yeah, 0.6 was only 4 that went in there. A little bit more. It's the pulse cylinder too, huh? Boom. We're gonna see what's going on with this Mustang while we at it. Might as well. We're gonna go this way. Brakes are super grabby. Just thinking it might have some turbo issues, like a turbo lag. It only has 15,000 miles also. Potholes from New Orleans. Sheesh. I'm feeling any turbo lag. Let's see if there's any gauges that tell me what kind of boost we got. There we go. Boost and vacuum. about 6 psi. I mean, it don't seem horrible. Air to fuel ratio 14.7. Vacuum boost. Huh? It's instant. If there was a vacuum leak, that'd be really low. Cylinder head temperature. Air inlet. Everything looks good. Next repair. That was nice. I was gonna ride it, but it's been raining. That was pretty fun, Lola. That was pretty fun.